afternoon, or should I say good morning, or good evening, whenever you're watching this. It is really windy. Goodness. Welcome back to the vlog. New week, new vehicle. We have the Forte S. So I am in Longmont right now. We're test driving the Kia Forte S. This is my first time driving this car. It's very luxurious, comfortable, and safe, and everything within this package is in a very affordable price. When I first started doing my research about this Forte, I was immediately enticed by the price of this vehicle. And then once I got in it, I was thoroughly surprised and impressed when I realized all of the additional features they include in this package. First of all, the interior is very impressive. You've got your 8-inch touchscreen display with your UVO e-services. One thing that I failed to mention in the previous videos is how much I like the Kia steering wheel. Control your music with the touch of a button, control your phone calls, very convenient cruise control. I mean, it's all hands-free, and the steering wheel just feels solid. Like some of the other models, you also have this digital display. It's got your readout for your miles per hour, do system diagnostics, check your radio. In a nutshell, this vehicle is just very commuter friendly. It seats 5, it's comfortable, has a nice sunroof. One thing that's hard to explain or show on video is this dash right here. It's not flat like most cars. It actually bulges in towards the windshield to give the passenger more room for their feet. But I'm also a sucker for detail. I really like in the center console how you've got this hidden stow compartment. This is where you're gonna plug in your phone, and you've got 2 12-volt chargers right here too. Another feature that you wouldn't expect in this reasonably priced Forte is the drive mode. You've got your sports mode, you've got your eco mode, just to make your driving experience more enjoyable. Whenever you're driving in sports mode, it just kind of tightens up the wheel for you to help you handle that power. And as far as how it handles very well. The steering's a dream. I expected it not to get up and go as fast, but it actually has a pretty nice get up and go. There are a couple reasons why I'm in Longmont today. One is to test drive this Kia Forte S. And number 2, the awesome guys at I-25 Kia decided to line up all of their stingers in a row so I could fly the drone over them. I wasn't able to do it earlier this week because it was super windy. So now's my opportunity. All right, the wind has calmed down. The stingers are lined up. Let's fly this drone. That was a good flight. Too bad they didn't have that yellow stinger though. I would just like to give a shout out to Pete and his crew for getting all those stingers lined up. I know that probably took a lot of work. Thank you. All right, well, that was a fun drone flight. Let's make it back to the studio and we'll talk a little bit more about this car. Let me answer this, hold up. Oh, the stinger just arrived? I literally just left. All right, I will be right back. Okay. Be right there. Okay, change of plan? I guess we're gonna go back to the dealership and take a look at this yellow stinger. Let's go! that is yellow. Okay, now we can go back to the studio. Kia's 2018 Forte S has a 2-liter multi-point injection 4-cylinder engine. Inside it offers plenty of headroom and legroom. This thing seats 5. Most of these models come with available stylish leather, which further enhances your comfort. You also wouldn't expect it to have these features in such a small price tag, but this guy, you've got your 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the UVO e-services, power adjustable driver's seat with memory settings so you can save a setting for your girlfriend or your wife or boyfriend, whatever. Dual zone temperature control for driver and passenger. And just like the majority of the Kias, you've got technology at your fingertips. Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. And by now you guys know what my favorite part is with these Kias. It's the safety. You've got lane detection, you've got tire pressure monitoring system, you've got your backup camera, blind spot detection, and lane change assist. Not to mention the countless airbags that surround you while you're driving this thing. You've also got fold down seats, you've got hidden storage compartments. So this is a commuter vehicle. Thank you for joining me on my adventure. I will be doing this all the time, uploading videos, going on adventures, testing out cars, teaching you about Kia vehicles. And if you have any suggestions or want to see me do something, if you want to join up, we can do something together. Let me know. My email is rob@i25kia.com. And if you have any questions about this sweet 2018 Forte S, go to I-25 Kia and make sure to talk to the car experts. And if you would be so kind to help me out, please like and subscribe and check back next week. Thank you for tuning in.